Gwendolyn Royal with the Blueprint News Network. In this year of 2020, we've had to adapt to wearing a mask every day. We've found that these masks are a new way to show our personality. Through interviews with a mask maker and many fashion icons, we get a peek into the future of fashion.
First, we meet with two people who know the ins and outs of making a mask. Junior Ryan Rosignol and his mom talk about the process of making a mask and their own style choices.
I've been sewing since I was a kid. I kind of self-taught myself, and basically it's just sewing straight lines. So if you can sew a straight line, you can sew a mask. To be honest, I don't necessarily pick colors. I pick fabrics that, in a sense, bring a smile to my face or like match my outfit. Or I think because, we have to, in a sense, cover our faces. So it's kind of like, I look at masks as like, in a sense, portraying kind of like your personality to the outside world because they can't see the rest of your face.
I don't know, just things that like look fun to wear, aesthetically pleasing. There really isn't like a color range for me personally, but yeah. My favorite color would to wear as a mask would definitely be either neutrals or blues, because they just fit with my wardrobe the best. I also have a bunch of like kind of like swirly or like abstract patterns, but yeah, I do like the floral masks. They were one of the first ones that I got. I kind of like to see masks that are not as vibrant as mine. I kind of like the less crazy patterns and kind of like the more muted tones. I think those just look really nice. But I don't really dislike seeing any type of mask. I think they all have like really nice aspects to all of them.
We took off from the Rosignols and headed over to Target for a quick trip to look at how many masks they had. We were astounded at the amount of styles, types, colors of masks for all ages. We then took off to the town to interview the people of Downers Grove and stopped for a quick modeling break.
What do you look for when you're buying a mask?
Something that I like.
I look for the nose thing, yep. And anything that really like matches my style, just something that looks comfortable and will fit. One person came into work and they had like a bright pink, like sparkly sequin mask, and I loved it so much.
Today we have learned that the ideal mask comes in all shapes, sizes, and colors. What are you wearing? This has been Gwen Royal with the Blueprint News Network.